What are you cooking, buddy?
Coffee.
What else?
Oatmeal.
Oh, are you making breakfast?
Yeah.
Oh, for who?
Danny and Papa.
Oh, that's very nice.
Take it and toss it.
You're doing such a good job. I like your apron.
I
I do.
There's beater there. That's a cake.
You made a cake? Can you bring it over so I can see it?
And blow it.
Bring over your cake.
And blow it.
Can you bring it over here to Mama? That's a lovely cake. Who is that for?
Danny and Papa.
Oh my goodness, are you going to put it on your stove?
Right here.
That's so nice. That's a good looking cake. And what flavor is it?
Strawberry.
What kind of icing does it have? Does it have any frosting?
Yeah.
What flavor?
Strawberry.
Oh my goodness, it's a super strawberry cake. Are you having fun cooking?
Yeah.
Oh good. What's in that pot?
Some baked fries.
Some baked fries? Oh yummy. What are you missing?
That.
Are you missing some ingredients?
Yeah.
Putting the coffee in that one? Alright, is this your cooking show? What's it called?
Baking.
It's called Baking with Westley? Can you say, thanks for watching?
Thanks for watching.
Say love and best dishes.
This.
Can you say love and best dishes?
No.
Oh, that's Paula Dean's tagline, huh? Not yours.
You just toss it.
You're so good at that, buddy.
This is good.
Are you done cooking your breakfast?
No.
No, not yet?
Is there a fry pan over here?
Oh, go get your fry pan.
Right here.
Okay, go get it.
I got it.
Okay, bring it back over to the stove so it doesn't cool off too much.
Does it cool off too much?
There you go. What's in your fry pan?
Crayon.
Are you cooking crayons?
Yeah.
Oh. What happens if you cook a crayon? Does it melt?
Yeah.
Do you have any mushrooms for your fry pan?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, are you going to go get some more food?
Bacon.
Oh, bacon! Oh, you're making the best breakfast. Oatmeal and coffee and bacon. Yummy. I think you're... Oh, yep, it fits right in that one. And how do you cook bacon? You going to steam it a little bit?
Yeah.
Render the fat?
Toss it in the fry pan.
That's right. Toss it in the fry pan. Good job.
And toss the pan.
Oh, you're so good at that.
And take the lid off. Put the fry pan in here. Take a bead. Some coffee.
Is it all done?
Oh,
Oh, not yet? Okay.
this is lid.
That is a lid.
And
Can you tell me what the name of your cooking show is?
this one.
It's this one? And what's your... Whoa! And what's your name?
Westley.
And are you a super chef?
Yeah.
Are you an Iron Chef?
No, yeah.
You are. Can you show me your Iron Chef muscles?